Crazy Huskies? Today is a vlog since I'm home alone right now with my dog right now. Yeah. Is that right, doggy? Yeah. I'm just watching some Kill 'Em, and that's really it. Oh yeah, I do have a Instagram, Facebook, and yeah, that's what I have, so you guys wanted to know. So go follow me at Ruby Coronado, and yeah. So yeah. So my friend, well, one of my family members brought me this. It's a car filled with Jello. I already took the Jello out, but my dog was playing with it. Look, donut. He'll play with it. See, I'll show you. So I was just moving it around a couple minutes ago, and I found that I was bored. Go. See, see, he does this with his car. It's his car, I guess. Does he look? He's ready to play with it. Go. Donut! Do you guys want to hear him sing? Okay, I'm gonna yell, but here we go. Donut sing! Donut sing! Donut sing! Donut sing! He says I love you. Donut sing! Donut, I love you! Donut sing! Donut, I love you! Donut sing! Donut sing! Donut sing! Donut sing! Donut, who do you love? He's a good dog. Well, that's him singing. It's pro skills. Yeah. I love him. So, I hope you guys enjoyed today's little mini vlog. Donut! Donut! And I'm just gonna make... Donut, come here! Come here! So I hope you guys enjoy... Oh, shoot. See, the camera messed up. Let me cut again. So I hope you guys enjoy...